Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. Today, I want to share with you how to post to your Google My Business listing. Now, I am going to be talking to you about how to add a post from your Google My Business listing from an Android mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, these steps will be somewhat different. So just know that I am on an Android. The first thing I want to say is if you are watching this video on Facebook, please be sure to like my Facebook business page. If you are watching it on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I upload a new video tutorial. So with that, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is install your Google My Business app on your phone if you do not already have it. Now, I already have the app, but I'm going to show you quickly how to download the app yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Play Store icon, and I will type in Google My Business, and I'm going to click on the Google My Business mobile app. As you can see, the green button to the right of my Google My Business app says open. And that is because I have already downloaded the Google My Business app. But what you will see, if you have not already, is an install button. So you go ahead and click on the install button, wait for the app to install, and then you're going to follow the next steps. So go ahead and click install. I'm going to click open. So it will open my Google My Business app. And when you get into the app, one of the things that you will see at the very top of the screen is the name of the company that you are about to post to. If you are an agency or someone who is managing multiple Google My Business listings, or you have multiple companies, you will actually see a drop down to the right of the company name. And you want to go ahead and click on that drop down and select which company you want to post to. So right now mine says Social Media How-Tos with Ramona, and that is the actual business that I want to post to. So with that, I'm going to go to the bottom of the screen. Do you see the post with the plus sign? So the post with the plus sign is red, green, yellow, and blue. Go ahead and click on post, and you will be brought to several different options. One is add an update, which is what we're going to use today to create and post on your Google My Business listing. You can add an event. You can add an offer, you can add products, you can add photos and videos of your company. But today what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add Update. Once you get into the Add Update, you will see it's prompting you to create a post. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Photo or Video. Once you click on add photo or video, it will bring you to an add photo or video screen that will ask you, do you want to take a photo, meaning with your Android phone? Do you want to record a video with your phone? Or do you want to choose a photo from your photo gallery? Today, I'm going to select choose from my gallery, and I'm going to select the image that I want to post. And then we're going to go ahead and click on next. You can, by the way, I'm sorry, there are filters at the bottom of this as well. So if you want to change the look of your photo, you can do that. Right now, I'm going to click original because I want it to look exactly like it looks. And then I'm going to click on next. So now your photo is in the photo section. Now you will see that, notice that we are on the What's New tab. By the way, the What's New tab is actually the post. If I were to click on any of these others, I could post an event, an offer, welcome offer, etc. So I have already copied my text onto my clipboard. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add a description by pasting the text that I've copied. I'm going to go ahead and click paste. And then I also have my links in here. Now, you don't want to paste your link into the actual description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this link out because the Google My Business listing actually allows you to create a button. So make sure that you only put text in the description area, and then go ahead and click Add an Action button. So I'm going to click on that. You see the add action button turned blue. And then underneath add an action button, you will see options. Do you want to create a book button, an order online button, a buy button, a learn more button, or a sign up button? So this is a blog post. So I'm going to click on learn more. And then I will paste my link into the add website link section. And notice under there, it says anyone following or viewing your listing can see these posts. So people can follow to receive your post on Google My Business. And you will see that some people will follow so that they get notifications whenever you post something on Google My Business listing. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and click publish because we are done. And as you can see, it says your post is published. It's going to give you several options. So it says post it just now. You see the little wishbone where you can click on to share this onto anywhere onto your Android phone. So you can share it on Twitter, on your Gmail, Google Drive, IGTV, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You can basically do it anywhere that you want. So I'm not going to share mine right now, but I'm going to also click on the three dots so that you can see what the three dots say. So you can actually copy your post to a new post. You can click on edit if you've made any mistakes, or you can actually delete the post if you want to get rid of it. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. You now know how to post on your Google My Business listing. I also did a blog post talking about how you can post on your Google My Business listing, which I will attach this actual video to, but it will have in more detail about the listing, etc. So if you don't know what Google My Business listing is, if you don't know the size of the image, you actually need to make it the correct size. So within that post, you will find it there. And I will link to that post wherever you find this video. Okay, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I hope again that this was extremely helpful. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe link and also click on the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I post a video tutorial. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below, or visit my website at romonafoster.com and send me a message there. Have a great day.